Hey there, English learners. Welcome to the HZ English Pod. I'm Liam.
And I'm Sophie. Before we dive in, quick question. How many times have you told yourself, this year, I'll finally master English?
Ooh, hitting them with the tough questions right away, Sophie.
Because it's real talk time. If you've tried and stopped before, this episode is your second chance. And if you're brand new, perfect. You're in the right place.
Today, we're breaking down the 2026 English Learning Blueprint. And no, we're not giving you the same old study everyday advice everyone repeats.
We're going deeper. We're getting practical. And honestly, we're calling out the mistakes that make people quit.
So hit that subscribe button because you'll want to come back to this one.
All right, Liam, let's start with something nobody wants to hear.
Oh no, are you about to crush dreams?
Maybe a little, but it's necessary. Here it is. Most English learners fail not because English is too hard, but because they're using the wrong strategy.
That's actually true. I see this all the time. People download 10 apps, buy 3 grammar books, follow 20 Instagram pages.
And then they burn out in 2 weeks.
Exactly. It's like going to the gym and trying to use every machine in one day. You'll just be sore and never go back.
So here's your first reality check for 2026. You don't need more resources. You need the right system.
And that system has 3 parts. Sophie, you want to take this?
Let's do it. Part 1, input. Part 2, output. Part 3, environment.
Simple, right? But here's where people mess up. They focus 90% on input.
Yes, they watch videos, read articles, listen to podcasts, but they never speak.
It's like watching cooking videos but never touching a stove. You won't become a chef that way.
So let's build your 2026 system step by step. First up, input, but the smart way.
Here's your mission. Pick one main resource, just one. For beginners, I recommend a podcast you actually enjoy. Like this one.
Smooth, Liam, but he's right. One podcast, 15 minutes daily. That's your anchor habit.
Now here's the secret sauce. You're going to use something I call the echo technique.
Ooh, I love this one. Tell him how it works.
Simple. You listen to one sentence from the podcast, pause it, and repeat it out loud. Try to copy the exact rhythm and pronunciation.
This is your output practice built right into your input time. 2 birds, 1 stone.
Exactly. You're not just passively listening. You're training your mouth muscles, your accent, your confidence.
And speaking of confidence, here's your next rule, the 70% rule.
What's that?
If you understand 70% of what you're listening to, you're at the perfect level. Not too easy, not too hard.
Oh, that's smart. So if someone's watching a TV show and catching nothing, that's too difficult.
Exactly. Drop down a level. If you understand 95%, go up a level. Stay in that 70% sweet spot.
Now, let's talk about the third part, environment. This is the game changer nobody talks about.
Your environment is everything around you. And here's what you're going to do. Make English unavoidable.
Change your phone to English. Today, right now if you're listening.
Follow English meme pages on Instagram. Yes, memes. They're actually great for learning slang and humor.
Join one English-speaking community online. Could be a Discord server, a Reddit group, anywhere people are chatting in English.
And here's a weird one that works. Put English sticky notes around your house. Mirror on the mirror. Fridge on the fridge.
It sounds silly, but your brain starts thinking in English when you see these words daily.
Okay, we need to talk about motivation because right now in January, everyone's pumped up.
New Year energy, let's go!
But what happens in April when that energy is gone?
Ah, the graveyard of New Year's resolutions.
Exactly. So here's the truth bomb. Motivation is trash.
Wait, what? Sophie, are you okay?
I mean it. Motivation is a feeling. Feelings change. You know what doesn't change? Systems.
Okay, I see where you're going with this.
You need to build such a simple system that you can do it even on your worst day. Not your best day, your worst day.
So, what does that look like?
It's 5 minutes. On your worst day, you can do 5 minutes. Listen to one song in English. Read one paragraph. Speak one sentence to yourself.
5 minutes keeps the streak alive.
And here's the psychology. Once you start, you usually do more than 5 minutes, but you promised yourself 5, so there's no pressure.
That's actually brilliant. It removes the excuse of, I don't have time.
Everyone has 5 minutes. And let me Okay, we need to talk about motivation, because right now in January, everyone's pumped up.
New Year energy. Let's go.
But what happens in April when that energy is gone?
Ah, the graveyard of New Year's resolutions.
Exactly. So here's the truth bomb. Motivation is trash.
Wait, what? Sophie, are you okay?
I mean it. Motivation is a feeling. Feelings change. You know what doesn't change? Systems.
Okay, I see where you're going with this.
You need to build such a simple system that you can do it even on your worst day. Not your best day, your worst day.
So, what does that look like?
It's 5 minutes. On your worst day, you can do 5 minutes. Listen to one song in English. Read one paragraph. Speak one sentence to yourself.
5 minutes keeps the streak alive.
And here's the psychology. Once you start, you usually do more than 5 minutes, but you promised yourself 5, so there's no pressure.
That's actually brilliant. It removes the excuse of, I don't have time.
Everyone has 5 minutes. And let me tell you something else. Missing 1 day is fine. Missing 2 days is where the danger starts.
The 2-day rule.
Yes, if you miss 1 day, no problem. Life happens. But do not miss 2 in a row. That's when the habit dies.
Sophie, we need to talk about tracking progress because people get frustrated when they don't see results.
Oh, this is so important. You know what most people do wrong? They don't track anything, then wonder why they're not improving.
So, what should they track?
Get a simple calendar. Every day you do your English practice, even just 5 minutes, put a big X on that day.
The Seinfeld method.
Exactly. Your goal is to not break the chain. You'll get addicted to seeing those X's pile up.
But what about actual language progress, not just showing up?
Great question. Record yourself speaking English once a month, just 2 minutes talking about your day.
And then what?
Listen to it 3 months later. You'll be shocked at your improvement. We can't see our daily progress, but comparing month 1 to month 3, mind-blowing.
I love that because it's concrete proof, not just a feeling.
All right, let's bring this home. Liam, what's the one thing you want people to remember from today?
The 2026 English Success Formula. One main resource, 70% comprehension level, the ECHO technique for speaking, and 5 minutes on your worst day.
Perfect. And remember, you're not trying to be perfect. You're trying to be consistent.
December 2026, Sophie and Liam are going to be so proud of you when you're here speaking confidently in English.
But it starts today, not tomorrow, today.
So here's your homework. Leave a comment right now telling us your one main English resource for 2026. Podcast, YouTube channel, what's it going to be?
And if this episode gave you that little kick you needed, smash that like button and subscribe to the HZ English Pod.
We're putting out episodes every single week to keep you on track. Don't try to do this alone.
Share this with one friend who's also learning English. Study buddies make everything easier.
All right, English learners, let's make 2026 the year you actually did it.
Not the year you tried, the year you succeeded.
See you in the next episode.
Keep practicing, keep showing up, and remember, you've got this.
Bye.